our angle corner stainless steel worktop station. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, a length of 125 inches, a depth of 16 inches, and the overall height of 33 3/4 inches tall. Please note that the stainless steel is covered by this film that can be peeled off. Located below are 6 swing doors. And on the bottom is storage to hold your products. With the interior measurements, we have 14 3/4 inches in depth, 28 inches in height, and a length of also 125 inches. Located on each section are magnetic tabs. So when the doors are closed, it will remain shut with the magnetic feature. On the worktop are 2 dividers, one on the far left and the second to the right. Each divider we have 6 inches tall, 16 inches in depth, by 1 inch in thickness. Separated by dividers are 3 sections. Each section we have 34 inches in length for the right side. The middle, we have 75 inches. And the left, we have 14 1/4 inches. With the depth of 16 inches applying for 1 continuous row. So whether if the bottom cabinet is facing the back or the front, located on the left or right side, depending where it's positioned, at the corner angle. For all questions, give us a call. Or visit our website, coolerdepotUSA.com, for more information on this product. Thank you.